You are able to see in the Korba, which one I said that? Bharat Aluminium Company, Balco. What I said that? Bharat Aluminium Company. Understood? Thereafter we have been able to see Korea. I said that Korea, Sarguja, Jaspur. Korea, Sarguja, Jaspur. Then Raipur. Raipur has also a small steel plant. I said that. What is I said that? Also, Raipur has also a small steel plant. Is it okay in your mind? Raipur has also some small. Clear? Then I said that, listen me. Janjgir, Mahsamund, Dhamtari. Janjgir, Mahsamund, Dhamtari. Dhamtari, write down. In Dhamtari district, Farsia village, Farsia, P-H-A-R-S-I-A, Farsia village, Mahanadi river originated. Mahanadi river originated. And which practice? लेकिन यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मैं चेंज हो जाऊंगा. ये कौन सा प्रैक्टिस है? विच प्रैक्टिस? दिस वन इज अमरकंटक, दिस वन इज, एंड दिस वन इज. तो यहाँ पे तीनों का जंक्शन है. सो नॉट ओनली अमरकंटक. In other words, it is originated by. In other words, it is originated from. In other words, it is originated from junction of Amarkantak, Dandkaranya, and Eastern Ghat. Its left bank tributaries are Ib, Mand, Hasdev, Shivnath. Ib, Mand, Hasdev, Shivnath. Its left bank tributaries are Ib, Mand, Hasdev, Shivnath. On Hasdev river, Hasdev Dam. Next point. On Hasdev river, Hasdev Dam in Korea district. On Hasdev river, Hasdev Dam in Korea district. Understood? It is okay? Clear? Next, its right bank tributaries are I said Ong, Jong, Tail. Its right bank tributaries are Ong, Jong, Tail. Understood? What are the right bank tributaries? Ong, Jong, Tail. Understood? Write down another point. In Chhattisgarh on Mahanadi river, there are 4 dams. Dudhwa, Gangrel, Sondur. Dudhwa, Gangrel, Sondur. Dudhwa, Gangrel, Sondur, and Marum, Silli. Which are I said that? Dudhwa, Gangrel, Sondur, Marum, Silli. Understood? Can you remember in your mind? Yes? Doodh is very pure in our India. Ganga water is very pure in our India. Doodh and Ganga water is very pure in India, and it is very pure than the Sona. Sona समझते हैं gold. Doodh, Ganga, Sona. Which are the dams we have seen? Dudhwa, Gangrel, Sondur. Understood? दूध से ज्यादा कौन प्योर है? गंगा. और गंगा इज मोर प्योर देन सोना, सोंदूर. अंडरस्टूड? लोग तो यही बोलते. सो विच आर द डैम्स वी हैव सीन? दुधवा, गांग्रेल, सोंदूर. अंडरस्टूड? And in the childhood, one game that we have played, if you are on the bank of a pond, lake or river, आप क्या लेते थे? That used to take a stone and then throw it. Yes or not? And you try to see how many times it is what? Jumping. 7 times, 8 times. Which one has covered more distance? Have you played with this? And इसको क्या बोलते हैं? This stone को हिंदी में बोला जाता है seal. क्या बोलते हैं? देखते हैं लालू प्रसाद has done several शिलान्यास पत्थर पे. This is started by what? लालू प्रसाद यादव and all. So I said that seal. और क्या करते थे आप? मारते थे seal. किसमें? महानदी में. So Marum Silli. So which are the dam we have seen? Dudhwa, Gangrel, Sondur, Marum Silli. In Odisha, Sambalpur district. In Odisha, Sambalpur district has 3 dams. In Odisha, in Sambalpur district has 3 dams: Hirakud, Tikripara, and I said Hirakud, Tikripara and Naraz. हीराकुद, जनरली लोग हीराकुद ही जानते हैं, बट हीराकुद इज वहां पे 3 डैम्स हैं. हीराकुद इटसेल्फ, टिक्रीपारा एंड नाराज. अंडरस्टूड? हीराकुद, टिक्रीपारा, नाराज. तो जनरली यू नो दैट हु इज द इन द संबलपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट इटसेल्फ, who is the good friend? Have you seen that Amitabh Bachchan some movie? If they have some animals, and especially the animals are like in the form of horse. Animals are in the form of horse. देखा होगा आपने? What is the name of horse?